Alright, picture this. You've got a crazy idea for a story in your head, but instead of just typing it out or leaving it in the Notes app, what if you could actually turn that into a 3D animated short film, all for free? Yeah, I'm not kidding. Free. Today I'm showing you exactly how I pulled it off step by step, using nothing but AI tools. Now before we even touch the visuals, we need a story. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You'll find the exact prompts I used down in the description inside a Google Doc. That way you don't gotta copy off the screen like homework. First prompt, boom. We tell ChatGPT to write us a short script. Doesn't have to be Avatar level deep. Just something with characters, dialogue, code, and like a little action. And this time, ChatGPT gave me a story about Tim. Who's Tim? Honestly, it doesn't matter. Oh yeah, the AI makes him up, but trust me, Tim's about to star in a movie. So the first step was simple. Like we went to ChatGPT and asked it to give us a story. Boom, it gave us episode 1, a nice script and all, but we didn't stop there. In the same chat, we told ChatGPT, okay, now break this story down into scenes. And it did. It gave us 3 scenes. Sounds perfect, right? Nope. Here's the catch. When we tried putting those scenes into high-low AI, we found out it only allows 6 seconds per video. 6 seconds. So the original 3 scenes were way too long. What did we do? So what do we do? Easy. We go back to ChatGPT and say, yo, break my story into shorter chunks. And man, it came through. Instead of just 3 long scenes, now I got a bunch of short ones, perfect for that 6-second limit. Copy scene 1, paste it into the video AI, let it render. Copy scene 2, paste, let it render. You repeat that until you've got a full folder of little clips. And don't worry, the Google Doc has all 3 prompts, one for the script, one for breaking down the visuals, and one that adds that 3D effect to each scene. I hooked you up. Now let me keep it real with you. This process is fire, but it's slow. Like, I'm talking hours. For me, generating just one batch of clips took 3 whole hours. If you've got patience, cool. But if you want speed, you're probably going to end up paying for the pro version of that video AI. That's just how it is. Free is great, but free moves slow.
Anyway, once we've got all those little clips, we're halfway there. Next stop, 11 Labs. This is where the story finally gets a voice. So I take the original script from ChatGPT, not the broken down version, the full one, paste it into 11 Labs and let it cook. You get to pick which voice you want, male, female, dramatic, whatever vibe fits your story. I tested a few and I picked the one that just sounded right for Tim. Poor guy doesn't even know he's AI generated and already has a personal narrator. Cool, so now we've got 2 things. The video clips from the text-to-video AI and the voiceover from 11 Labs. What's next? CapCut. We drag all the clips onto the timeline, one by one, stack them in the right order, and line them up with the voiceover. Pro tip, make sure you set the ratio to 9:16. That's the vertical format, perfect for TikTok Reels or YouTube Shorts. Because let's be honest, that's where these AI stories go crazy viral. After that, I add some background music to keep the energy up. Nothing too loud, just enough to give the scene some flavor. And here's where I'll keep it all the way 100 with you. Editing like this is actually fun. Watching a random AI-made character come to life with a voiceover you generated feels like you're directing a little movie right from your laptop. Now quick heads up, CapCut's got some pro features that make your edits cleaner, and when I exported my video, surprise, it told me I couldn't save without paying for pro, because of course, right? But don't trip, in my next video I'm going to show you exactly how to export CapCut projects with all the pro features unlocked, for free. Yeah, you heard me. So if you don't want to miss that, you already know what to do. And that's it. We started with nothing but an idea in our head, told ChatGPT to spin it into a story, chopped it up so our text-to-video AI could handle it, dropped it in 11 Labs for voice, and then pieced everything together in CapCut. End result, a 3D animated short film made completely free. So if you rock with this and want to see how to level it up, hit that subscribe button. I'll keep putting y'all on game with these AI tricks so you can flex your creativity without emptying your wallet. And hey, don't let Tim be the only AI character living his best life. Go make your own story.